Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this new video, we are going to learn how to format text in MS Word. Text formatting can be made in different ways by changing font size, font style, font color, change case, and the text may be bold, italic, underline or highlight text. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to apply these formatting on text in MS Word. So let's begin. First, we have to change the font size of text. So to apply any operation or any formatting in Word, first you have to select the text. So I am going to select this first 4 lines. And now I am going to change its size. So here you can see this is font size option. Click on this and you can increase or decrease the font size. Say I am selecting 16 size. So you can see the font size is changed and it is larger font. Again, if I want to decrease the font size, here I am selecting 8 font size. So the font size is reduced. So this is how you can change font size. So I am keeping it at 16 points. Next is font style. You can change the font style by selecting from this window. Here you can see lot of options are available. You can select any option. So as I have already said, first you have to select the text. So first I am going to select this and then going to change its font style. So here I am selecting Algerian. So you can see the font style is changed. And I can try this Arial Black or Arial Round or any of text style you can select from this window. So this is how you can change font style and font size. Next is font color. To change font color, you can change it from here. Here you can see the alphabet A. It is the beauty of the Word that on whatever option you will take your cursor, it will show its purpose. As this is showing font color. So click on this. You can choose any color to which your font will be shown. So I am selecting it green. So this is green. Again select it and you can change it to blue or whatever you want. And there are more options. Here you can see more color. So you can select any lighter or darker any color from here. So as I have already selected this color, so this is how you can change font color. Then is change case. Change case means you can use it as uppercase or lowercase. So again I am selecting this and here you can see the option change case. Click on this and there are 5 options. Sentence case. Sentence case means it will convert the first letter as capital. The first letter of every sentence as capital. And if you select lowercase, then the all text will be converted into lowercase. If you select uppercase, it will select to, it will change to uppercase. Then if you want to capitalize each word, then click on this option. And you can see the first letter of each word is changed into capital. So this is how you can use different options of change case. Then I am again selecting this to apply bold, italic and underline. Here if you want to bold the text, click on this. Font text will be bold. Then if you want that your text show italic, then click on this I. The text will be italic. And if you want to underline this, click on this. The text will be underlined. And the last option is highlight text. So again to apply this, select the text, and here you can see text highlight color. So whatever color you will choose from here, your text will be highlighted. Say I am selecting yellow. So this is how your text will be highlighted. In the end, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.